Hi, and welcome to MilitaryRetirementCalculators.com. I'm Scott Tucker, founder of US Vet Wealth and the creator of the Military Retirement Income Toolkit. What you're going to find on this website is a suite of tools that I've developed based on everything I've learned from over 15 years of working with hundreds and hundreds of military retirees and their families as they're making key decisions about their finances and post-military life. Whether you're a couple years out from military retirement, planning ahead, going through the process right now, or already retired in a new career and haven't had a chance or want to relook at how your benefits or your other aspects of your retirement planning come into play and want to get a one-stop shop analysis from the perspective of a military retiree. That's what this is designed to do, is to work with that group of individuals specifically. What you're going to find on this page is access to 3 different tools. You can log in or create an account once, need your email. That way you can log back in and have all your data saved. We have 3 different tools that you can go back and forth between. It doesn't really matter which one you want to start with, depending on what your priorities are. You can learn more about what this platform does here on the home page. When you're ready to get started, click choose your analysis path, and that'll bring you down to the 3 tools. If you are still considering what to do about the survivor benefit plan decision and need to understand the costs and probabilities and what the alternative options might look like from a high-level perspective, you choose the SBP Decision Education and Analysis tool. And the key here is, throughout the whole platform, this is not just a calculator. This is meant to be an education platform as well. It's packed with information that we found our clients have found relevant one way or the other. There's plenty of extra content for you to go through when you have questions about various aspects of these programs. If you're still in the retirement phase or planning ahead, this is probably going to be the tool for you to start with. The War Chest Insurance Builder tool is for those that are considering using our solution at US Vet Wealth. We call it the War Chest. It's a place to save and invest while also having income protection. It's designed originally to be an alternative to the survivor benefit plan. And the way we structure our insurance policies is all laid out and explained and offers an option for you to create your own war chest and see what the potential outcomes would be and compare that to the SBP. But also inside the War Chest Builder, we have non-SBP alternative options. If you want to use it for wealth accumulation and legacy building, or as a retirement income planner, we give you those options to see what it's like to use cash value life insurance as a savings and investment tool, in addition to the protection benefits through the death benefit offerings that, of course, all life insurance have and are required to have in order to qualify for them. And then finally, we have a retirement income comparison tool. This is your more traditional retirement planning calculator. This is where you can put in your income projections, your cost projections, your future savings projections, and analyze what the probabilities are of being able to maintain your lifestyle in retirement if you take into account inflation and investment growth rates, depending on the amount of risk you're willing to take in your various accounts. So you can use this as a more traditional retirement income planning tool. And then there's an option to reallocate future savings or existing savings into the War Chest strategy to compare the various outcomes. With the War Chest, the key aspects, as you'll learn when you go through this, is that our focus is on building tax-advantaged assets that are not at risk in the stock market, add liquidity to your portfolio, and protect you from market losses, while also offering the death benefit to leave behind in the case of a tragic event, or in the more likely scenario, as a legacy for your children and grandchildren. That's what people tell us they want when they don't want to be stuck in traditional plans where their money's either going to the government with no guarantee of getting anything back, or when they're have most of their assets and their savings in the market at risk when we're in a volatile economy, and they find themselves in a higher income tax bracket in post-military life. We manage all those risks inside this platform. We explain it all in detail, and you'll be able to take your time, go through it. I encourage you to go through it with your spouse, learn more about these alternatives, and consider it as a part of your overall portfolio. We're not trying to recommend that you replace everything you have financially going on with the war chest strategy, but it can be a great addition to all the great savings and investments and pensions and VA disability benefits that you've already earned. Look forward to seeing you on the inside. When you're ready, go ahead and schedule a call at any time, and we can go through this with you. If you get into it and it's overwhelming or you don't have time to dive in deeply and you want to go through it one-on-one, we're available at any time. Schedule a free consultation. Happy to do. And then if it makes sense to discuss things further about becoming a client at US Vet Wealth, we can address that if needed. Our main priority is helping you make more confident and competent decisions during your retirement process or in post-military life so that you're not stressed out about yet another thing while you're looking for your new career and trying into the civilian world. In the next videos, we'll go through a how-to on each of the individual calculators and tools and how you can learn more. If you go to our Military Retirement Blueprint website and Substack, we're going to have a series of webinars and shorter videos that will give you different case studies and examples and deep dives into the various topics inside the platform. Check back there periodically. Send your friends there, and when they start asking about these topics, let them know, hey, everything is on this Military Retirement Toolkit to help you get a better idea rather than having to go through the myriad of various resources when it comes to military transition. We look forward to getting your questions. You can always reach out at our email down here at the bottom. If you want to learn more about US Vet Wealth, go ahead and visit our website right here. And we'll see you in the next video.